so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mixed fruit green kind of smoothie without yogurt or milk. Alright, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching so far. Thank you. Alright, so remember to follow me on all social at Andy. Alright, so let's dive right into this video. So I have here, remember this mixed food from the long time. I have this, I have some carrots and some kale that I will be using, and I have coconut water. So that's about it. I'm going to use today no yogurt. Alright, so this is a no yogurt smoothie. So I'm gonna add these to the blender, the kale and the carrots, baby carrots, so and they are frozen. I'm gonna add some of the mixed fruit. So the fruits have pineapple, strawberry, mango and peaches in this package. Yeah, it's perfect for smoothie also. Just gonna add my coconut water. And this coconut water have pulp and it's Goya as usual. And I'm gonna cover. For those of you who don't like milk or yogurt, this smoothie is yours. Okay? There you have it guys, all done. My mixed fruit smoothie without yogurt or milk. Okay, so I'm gonna glass this now. Let's taste this one. Tasting so nice. The only thing is the carrot. Could have blended out a little bit more, but it's good, it's nice, it's sweet. Maybe it's the pineapple and the strawberry make it sweet, but it's sweet. So go ahead and try this smoothie guys, you will love it. So it's for those who having issue with milk and yogurt, this one is without. Yeah, so you can go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. Tell me what to think about this different kind of smoothie. All right, thank you guys, thank you. So until my next video, bye.